Hey everybody, it's Greg from REV, and it is kickoff time again. This is our favorite part of the year where we've learned all about the brand new game center stage, and I know that you are probably just as excited to get going and start building with your team as anybody else. I'm here today to talk to you about our Starter Bot program. And the Starter Bot is something that REV has been doing for several seasons now, and its purpose is to give you a place to jumpstart. Whether you are a brand new rookie team joining the FTC family, or you're a seasoned veteran who's just trying to figure out how to get started, what we do is we put together a robot, and this is it, and this robot is designed to play this brand new game. Now, it is not a complete solution. This is not a robot that will take you to winning the world championship. The idea is to sometimes get your mind moving with a very basic solution, so then you can learn and you can start with this and improve upon it over the season. We release this fully. You'll be able to download the CAD, the code in both Java and on-bot Java and blocks, and really absorb this as a way to train while figuring out what the robot you want to bring to a competition is. One important thing that's different this year from previous years is in previous years, we ran our segment called Kickoff Concepts, which was all about building prototypes, experimenting with the game pieces to show you what it took to lead up to building and releasing the Starter Bot. This year, we're going to do something a little bit differently, and we're going to be releasing all the Starter Bot information in the week after kickoff, and then we're going to be releasing new videos and new documentation over the weeks and months following kickoff with examples of maybe ways to improve it or suggestions that teams send into us so that we can continue to help support you during your entire season. We're not trying to solve the game for you, but we do think that this is a really great way for teams that are just getting going to engage with this FTC season. You'll be able to see all the documentation and everything on our website, and it'll be on our docs.revrobotics.com site. If you need any support for anything during the season, REV products or Starter Bot, you can always reach out to us at support@revrobotics.com. And we are very excited to see you at competitions coming up this year. We hope you have a great season.